You today to my honorable channel. This is Stanley One of Smart Money AI. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide in which you'll get free 10 gigabyte data, right? And not only that, this app that I'm about to show you will also make your connections on any site secured, right? So possibility of you being hacked on the internet will be very low. So why don't you subscribe to my channel if you are a newcomer? If you are an old subscriber, thank you very much for always tuning into me, right? I'm really grateful. Please, if you find the content educative, don't forget to like, also comment, right? So the algorithm will detect what I'm doing here. All right, so without much ado, let's dive in. All right, so first, all you have to do is to come to Play Store, right? Open your Google Play Store and then search for Windscribe app. I'm talking about this VPN. It's called the Windscribe or Windscribe. You just search for it. For iOS users, you have to go to your App Store. I learned it also on it, right? So just download this app and then we take it from there. So after downloading, all you have to do is to install and then open the app. Please follow the video with rapt attention, don't miss any step, right? Okay, so let's wait for the app to open. Right, so when it open, you see you are a new user, so you have to click on get started, right? Okay, so here you choose your username. Note, look at something here, right? Okay, let's continue. You choose your username. So I already have an account, but because of this tutorial, let me create a new one. Okay, I always use this password for tutorials. Okay, you can actually just create an account with your username and a password, and then you are good to go. But for that, you are only going to get 2 gigabytes of data, right? But you can see here it's saying adding your email address is optional, and when you do that, you get 10 gigabytes of data for free per each month. So every month you are going to get 10 gigabytes if you add your email. So let me add an email. All right, and here I'll click on continue. Your password must contain at least. All right, so all right, okay, now let's go. This username is taken. Oh my god. Okay, let me add H. Okay, so it's starting, right? So let's just wait in peace. All right, so this is how it looks like when it opens. Let me show you something here so you know we are already enjoying something for free. Oh my god, sorry about that. Let me erase it. Okay, please, just a minute, right? All right, you can see we have 2 gigabytes. We have free 2 gigabyte data. So let's connect the VPN. You just have to click on this button and it will be connected. As I already said, this VPN also keeps you secured, right? Sorry, we don't have to. You can see when you open it, you just have to swipe this page down and then the app will select the best location for you. So you choose that location, right? You just click on it and then let's see what happens. All right guys, so our VPN is now connected. You can see this symbol at the top here. I hope you can see it, right? So we are now using this 2 gigabytes for free. So how can we get our 10 gigabyte? Remember, you just have to click on this. Have you seen this? Please confirm email. Sorry, let me show you where I clicked. You just have to click on this button. I don't want to keep this video for long, right? So you just click on this button and click on please confirm email. So let's go to my email and then look at the prompt. Please confirm email and get 10 gigabytes, right? So all right guys, so this is the email address I used, right? So I'll just refresh the page and then you can see Winscribe. That's the email. Let me open it and then I will confirm this. Right after that, we'll go back and you will see we now have our 10 gigabyte. So if you are a content creator, or if you are someone that buy data daily, this is for you, right? So you just have to click on confirm email, and then it will be confirmed. Let's wait for the feedback. Right, your email has been confirmed. You can close this window now. Right. All right, so we are back to the app. Let me show you. Right, so we now have 10 gigabytes of data to use for free per this month. And now this is where the big deal is. What if this 10 gigabytes is not enough? There's also another way you can increase this 10 gigabytes to 30 gigabytes per every month. So imagine claiming 30 gigabyte 30 gig every month for free, right guys? This is going to be life saving. So after watching this video and you are through with your 10 gigabyte, just drop a comment, just write done. Please like the video and write done in the comment section, so I'll know a lot of people are following, and then I'll update you in the second video on how to claim your free 30 gigabytes per every month. Right, so now go out there, search for the app, follow the process, and then claim your free 10 gig to be using. Guys, see you in the next video.